Welcome back. We were doing the chapter Nelson Mandela A Long Walk to Freedom. In our previous lecture, we have studied that after getting the victory, Nelson Mandela was so thankful to the all dignitaries and inauguration of the largest gathering ever international leader on the South African soil. Now we have to start from this. The ceremonies took place in the lovely sandstone amphitheatre formed by Union Buildings in Pretoria. For decades, this had been the seat of white supremacy, and now it was the site of a rainbow gathering of different colors and nations for the installation of South Africa's first democratic, non-racial government. So these ceremonies took place in the lovely sandstone amphitheatre. Amphitheatre is a building without a roof with many rows of seats rising in steps, typical of ancient Greek and Rome. Means एक building होती है जो जिसका roof नहीं होता है and बहुत सारी rows होती हैं, like जैसे आजकल stadiums होते हैं. So formed by the Union Buildings in Pretoria. तो ये Pretoria में ये building थी. For decades, this had been the seat of white supremacy, and for decades means for दशकों से this had been the seat of white supremacy, means white people used to rule over there, and now it was the site of rainbow gathering because different type of people were there, white, black, all without they all forgetting their caste and creed, they all were gathered together to celebrate the ceremony of the non-racial government. On the lovely autumn day, I was accompanied by my daughter Zinani. On the podium, Mr. De Klerk was first sworn in as second deputy president. Then Thabo Mbeki was the sworn in first deputy president. When it was my turn, I pledged to obey and uphold the constitution and to devote myself to the well-being of the republic and its people. To the assembled guests and the watching world, I said, today, all of us do, by our presence here, confer glory and hope to newborn liberty. Out of the experience of an extraordinary human disaster that lasted too long, must be born a society of which all humanity will be proud. We, who were outlaws not so long ago, have today been given the rare privilege to be host to the nations of the world on our own soil. We thank all of our distinguished international guests for having come to take possession with the people of our country of what is, after all, a common victory for justice, for peace, for human dignity. So on that lovely autumn day, the narrator Nelson Mandela, he says that he was accompanied, means he was together with the daughter Zinani, and on the podium is the stage where Mr. De Klerk was the first sworn in second deputy president. He was there he was sworn as deputy president. Who was the president? That Nelson Mandela. And who was deputy president? Mr. De Klerk. So you must keep it in your mind. Then Thabo Mbeki was the sworn in the first deputy president, and then Thabo Mbeki was sworn as first deputy president. When it was my turn, I pledged to obey and uphold the constitution. Now when comes the turn of narrator Nelson Mandela, he pledged to obey the constitution and devote himself to well-being of the republic and its people. To the assembled guests and watching world, now he addressed them all, and he said that today all of us do our presence here. So today, this is the contribution of all the people there. They confer glory. Confer means a formal word, means here to give glory and hope to newborn liberty. So they are giving liberty to hope to newborn liberty out of the experience of an extraordinary human disaster. Now out of this experience, means he was overwhelmed with the experience. Out of this experience, an extraordinary human disaster. What was the disaster that lasted too long? What was the disaster? That was discrimination of white and black people. Must be born a society. Now it should give birth to a society which all humanity will be proud. Why they will be proud of it? Because now all are sitting together. Now all have gathered in a rainbow color. Means ख़त्म हो चुका है, उनके बीच का जो डिफरेंस था वाइट एंड ब्लैक पीपल का. We who were outlaws not so long, now they. Outlaws means because of its policy of apartheid. Many countries had earlier broken off diplomatic relation with South Africa. अब इस वजह से आउटलॉ क्यों हो गई थी? क्योंकि इसमें अपार्थाइड सिस्टम था, तो अदर कंट्रीज़ ने उनके साथ जो रिलेशन साउथ अफ्रीका के साथ तोड़ दिए थे. Have today been given the rare privilege to host to the nations of the world. Now this time अपनी ही धरती पर उन्हें अब मौका मिला कि वो एक फंक्शन एक होस्ट कर सकें, जिसको पूरे वर्ल्ड को वो होस्ट कर सकें. सो नेल्सन मंडेला ही थैंक्ड, वी कहा है अपनी पार्टी के लिए, वी थैंक ऑल ऑफ आर डिस्टिंग्विश्ड इंटरनेशनल गेस्ट. नाउ ही सेज वी मीन्स वो और उनकी पार्टी. सो अब उनकी पार्टी उनको थैंक कर रही है. एंड व्हाट वाज द नेम ऑफ देयर पार्टी? इट्स देयर, what is the name of their party? You have done in previous lecture. That is Congress Party, National Congress, African National Congress Party. After that, we have at last achieved our political. They people says possession with the people of our country of what is after all a common victory for justice. So this was a common victory for all white and black people, and this is the victory for justice, peace and for human dignity. Even some white people also, they do not want to discriminate the black people, but still as the other people of their caste do the same. So even this has given birth to justice, for peace and for human dignity. We have at last achieved our political emancipation. We pledge ourselves to liberate all our people from the continuing bondage of poverty, deprivation, suffering, gender and other discrimination. Now we means all the people together, they have achieved the political emancipation. So what is emancipation? Emancipation is freedom from restriction, means किसी चीज़ से आज़ादी मिलना, जो बंधन से आज़ादी मिलना. So we pledge ourselves to liberate our people from continuing bondage of poverty. So they people pledge themselves to liberate, अपने आप को आज़ाद करने के लिए, that from the continuing bondage of poverty. So they all were in born to the poverty and deprivation. What is deprivation? The state of not having one's rightful benefits. So the deprivation is state of not having one's rightful बेनिफिट्स मीन्स अपने जो अधिकार में जो बेनिफिट्स हैं उनको भी नहीं मिलना, किसी चीज़ से वंचित हो जाना. सफरिंग उनकी जो पेन है, पीड़ा है. जेंडर, उनका जेंडर को लेकर कि मेल है, फीमेल है. एंड अदर डिस्क्रिमिनेशन, इस तरह के जितने भी डिस्क्रिमिनेशन थे वो अब सब ख़त्म हो गए हैं. नेवर 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 अगेन शैल इट बी दैट दिस ब्यूटिफुल एंड विल अगेन एक्सपीरियंस द ऑपरेशन ऑफ वन बाय अनदर. So he says never, they will never ever have the oppression. इस टाइप का वो डिस्क्रिमिनेशन जो था इस ब्यूटीफुल लैंड में, अब वो कभी नहीं चाहेंगे कि ऐसा कभी भी किसी के द्वारा हो. The sun shall never set on so glorious a human achievement. And the sun shall never set on so glorious. आज का जो सन है वो भी इतना ज़्यादा ग्लोरियस है. Why? Just because of the विक्ट्री, मीन्स आज उनकी धरती को आज़ादी मिल गई है. सो लेट फ्रीडम रेन. सो लेट दिस फ्रीडम रेन मीन्स टू रूल ओवर इट. गॉड ब्लेस अफ्रीका. सो द प्रेजिडेंट ऑफ द साउथ अफ्रीका इज़ वेरी हैप्पी फॉर इट्स पीपल, फॉर इट्स ब्लैक पीपल स्पेशली, दैट दे ऑल हैव गॉट पीस, लिबर्टी, ओके, एंड ह्यूमन डिग्निटी. सो हियर आर द क्वेश्चंस दैट और comprehension check that where did the ceremonies take place? We have to see in the chapter that it took place in the South Africa at the, have to mention the place where it was in the amphitheater. Okay, can you name any public buildings in India that are made of sandstone? You have to name out. Then can you say how 10 May is an autumn day in Africa? Why? Because autumn is a season of you can say sadness, but here today as they in South Africa it is beautiful day. Why? Because today there the people feel happy at that time.